Hello, Ranger. Hello, Green. Where are you going at this unearthly hour? I'm going fishing to hook magic golden fish. Would you like to join? Certainly, I wish. Oh, how are you going to catch your golden fish? Quite simple. I have collected special magic flowers for this. Just watch. It will bite at them quickly. Whoop! There. What did I tell you? Here it is. Magic golden fish. Let me go. For this I will fulfill any your wish. My goodness. It is real golden fish from the fairy tale. So what are you waiting for, Crane? Make your wish faster. Wish upon. Quicker. I have a dream from my childhood to be a combine to work in the field. Then so be it. Crane, what's the matter with you? Is it you? Hooray! I can walk in the field, collect and thresh the grain to make bread of it. My wish has come true. Where are you going, Crane? Wait a minute. Oh, where are you, Crane, now? How shall we plant trees and clean the woods without him? How shall we build our house without the Crane? Crane, friend, it's awful. Seba has fallen onto the bridge. What is to do? Turn back quickly. Let's go. Be quick. Help! I'm sinking. Give it up. Thank you, my friend. So the grain, everyone is useful at its own place. Thank you, fish. Hooray! The grain is back. In a previous series of cards, they found a shell, and in it, a note with the SOS call. Thus, the cards are going to the aid. Well, here we are. It is an island described in the note. Peace be with you, the travelers. I'm an old hermit. What has led you to my island? Dear hermit, you found the shell at the bottom of the sea. The contained a note where the name of your island is mentioned. Ha! Yes, once I did send such notes. Well, let's go. I'll show you the island and tell my story. Once upon a time, my name was Ron. Long ago, I came here together with my master, and then he left me. On this island, there's nothing but shells, rocks, and gulls. From grief, I began to write notes with a plea for help, placing them into the shells, and then I threw them into the sea. But since then, a lot of water has flowed away. I built a cozy hut, made friends with the animals, which are occasionally found here, and even cultivated a garden. Eventually, I stopped hoping for the help. My animals taught me to understand a little of their language, and the birds allowed me to fly. You don't believe me? Ha! Try it! You can do it too! On this island, everything is possible. I'm flying! Flying! I also learned to make small miracles. Listen, I understand what say the seagulls. They show us the way home. Ron, come with us. No, my friends, thank you. I'm used to, but now my house is here. Take this shell as a souvenir. Anytime you can blow into it, and I immediately will show up. Goodbye, Hermit Ron. We will surely meet again. Bye, guys. Bye. Polly, I need help. Something wrong with Dixie. Take a breath. What's wrong? Something unusual happened to Dixie. She's all the time in the garage. Doesn't pay attention to anyone. We should do something. Well, okay. Let's go. Oh, I see you are prepared. Yes, but we don't know what to do. And what happened first? I will tell you. Firstly, Dixie went out of the garage early in the morning. Then she bumped into a stone and damaged her wheel. Then, near a park, a broken branch, and she scared very much. Then, someone called her into the city where portable radar sat, and she went there, but there was no one. And she got upset. I see. I'll try to know something more. Hello, Dixie. Can I come in? Hello, come in. I've heard you have a lucky day. Why do you think so? Look, you damaged your wheel just near the garage, and you have managed to repair it without any problem. And if you drove far away, what would be then? Well, then a branch fell down right behind you. And if it fell down on you, it would be worse. And now this false call, but I appreciate this too. You can take a breath of fresh air while everybody is safe. Well, Polly, you're right. I don't know why I'm sad. Let's go to our friends. They do worry much. Of course, let's go. Friends, thank you very much for your help. I'm the happiest car, and I have real friends. Well, children, today we will know more about the era of Jurassic period and its inhabitants, the dinosaurs. On the planet, there was more about 1,000 types of the dinosaurs. They were huge animals, reptiles, and insects. For example, the dragonflies reached the size of nowadays gull. Many of the dinosaurs ate grass, leaves, and branches, but also there were some ferocious predators, and the most dangerous of them was T-Rex. Whoa, how beautiful it is! If only we have managed to get there. Wow, where are we? We seem to be in the book. Look, these are the dinosaurs. Oh, who it is? We are the ghosts from the future. You are the real dinosaurs? We're afraid you will eat us. But we eat plants. Do you want to play a little? Of course we do. Oh, it's T-Rex is roaring. He's coming right here. Let's hide. Let's go away. Bye, friends. And our next lesson is dedicated for the mammoth and the caveman.